Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be health video. So today I'll be discussing about some basic food items that is available in everybody's home to boost immunity. Let's get started with the video because this is going to be really important to help build your immunity basically from at home at zero cost and also keep yourself healthy against COVID-19. Let's get started. First three major things that you got to be doing as soon as you wake up is A, you need to have a warm glass of water with honey and lemon in it. Lemon, vitamin C, honey is also very good for your immunity. And warm glass of water, as it is, it helps beat coronavirus if present in your gut. The second one is Chyawanprash. So I know many of us neglect it or neglect having it just because it contains a blend of many nutrients. I highly suggest that you'll go ahead and have Chyawanprash 1 spoon every day in the morning. The third thing is soaked almonds. So this is something I practice. If you all like to have it, please go ahead and do it. It's not only almonds, you can have any dry fruits soaked in water. So the next thing that is available at our homes is pepper. So what y'all can consider is having freshly crushed pepper in all of your food items, which helps in so many different things. Now, what are the benefits of having pepper? Is first thing, it's carminative. It gets rid of any intestinal gas that has been built up. Second, it has anti-inflammatory action. So third, sweating. It causes sweating and hence it gets rid of all the extra toxins that are present in your body. Highly recommended. Next, it is an antioxidant, and the most important thing of having pepper is fever reducing. It is a fever reducing agent, and as we know, COVID-19 has one such property that it causes a symptom of fever. So guys, include your food with pepper. Do not forget to add pepper. Just a pinch of pepper and good to go. So the next basic ingredient that is present in our kitchens is ginger. How can we forget ginger? It's so very important. It plays a major role in three very important symptoms of COVID. A, flu, common cold and sore throat. These three are all the symptoms of COVID-19. So in your tea or a warm glass of water with ginger crushed in it or something like that, consider having ginger. Apart from these three main things, it is also very good antiseptic, antifungal, and also helps strengthen your immunity, which is very important during this pandemic. So consider including ginger in almost all of your food items. So the next ingredient is garlic. Wonderful ingredient. You know what garlic is called as? It's immunity boosting superstar. Yes, you heard me right. Immunity boosting superstar. Now this garlic is very good for flu and common cold. It is best when it can be eaten raw. But I know many of us can't eat, even though I can't eat it raw. So what I can do is include it in your food. Like whatever you prepare, put your garlic, pepper and ginger into it so that it gives a blend of all the nutrients and helps strengthen your immunity system. Now one of the best way to have the garlic and ginger just to boost your immunity to a very greater level is one shot called as super immune shot. Yes, it's a juice that you can prepare at home. Now what does this juice include? 1 inch of ginger, 1 clove, 1 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot and 1 lemon. Just blend all of this together and have it. It's a super immune shot. Even if you are not doing any of the other things, I highly recommend that you all prepare this immune shot and have it on daily basis. It's the great deal for all of your family members. So guys, please consider this point of doing it on your daily basis. The next is tulsi. See, these are all such basic things that is available in almost everybody's house, and we tend to neglect it, and we just go to the medical shop and get those vitamin C tablets, vitamin E tablets, which are really not important. Okay, so speaking about of tulsi, guys, tulsi is the best treatment for respiratory tract infection. COVID-19 is the one which attacks your respiratory tract. So tulsi is a must on daily basis. Now, how can you consume it on daily basis? I know crushing and having those tulsi leaves is every day not important, and giving it to every family member is also not important, because you'll not have so much of leaves in it. The best way is take 4 to 5 leaves of tulsi, put it into your drinking water, like your water bottle or something, and consume it. So the leaves are there, and as the water gets consumed, you can just keep on adding the water, and the 4 leaves are good to do for the whole of the family. I mean, the nutrients supply to everyone. Isn't that great? Even if you do not have tulsi plant at home, consider buying tulsi seeds, or these days even you also get tulsi drops in the medical shops. So this is also a very good way to increase your immune system. Highly recommended, guys. Do consider adding to your drinking water. The best way you can enhance your immunity system. Now, apart from respiratory tract infections, tulsi is best for asthma and also lung disorders. So we see that the COVID-19 it actually is impacting our respiratory, our lungs. So I think tulsi is going to do a wonderful job, because we really cannot get detoxed if by chance we get attacked by the virus. The only way is like a warm glass of water which included tulsi leaves kept overnight, like the best thing you can do. Now the next is turmeric, another antibiotic, readily available in everybody's kitchen. Even if you're not suffering from cold, cough, flu, anything, but it is better to build up your body to fight against any microbes that would enter your body, right? Your body should be ready to fight against these all microbes. So building up an antimicrobial system of your body is highly important. So this turmeric is the one thing that you all can include. Now how can you take up turmeric? One, adding to your food. Second would be turmeric water in case you all you all are not willing to have milk, and the third would be turmeric milk. So having these 3 things, including turmeric in your daily diet, would really enhance your immune system. This is also these are very common things that I've picked up from the kitchen, and I'm getting it towards my audience so that stay healthy, stay fit, try to be away from this COVID-19, avoid hospitals as much as you all can. So these are the basic things that you can do it on regular basis, especially for the elderly people and the young people, I mean the kids, so that you all are healthy, your family is healthy, right? Now coming to fruits. So we generally say that vitamin C is important for this COVID-19, right? Now why is it important? This is like a major question. I mean, किसी ने बोल दिया कि विटामिन सी लेना है तो बस लेना है. Nobody wants to know what is the exact technique behind it and why is it needed to be consumed on daily basis. So what's the role of vitamin C? So vitamin C is generally helping your white blood cells to build up, like the fighter cells. So when your white blood count is healthy enough, that means the person is highly immune. This is how we categorize to be an immune person and a not immune person. So it fights with it builds up the white blood cells. In return, it fights against infection, and then in return, it helps you keep away from respiratory tract infections like pneumonia, diarrhea. These all the infections can be avoided in case your immune system is strong with vitamin C. Now, there's one problem with vitamin C is that it cannot be stored in the body. So hence, a daily dose of vitamin C is highly recommended. This is the only way you can consume vitamin C, because since it cannot be stored in the body, it is necessary that we consume the vitamin C on regular basis. Now, how do you get it? One is citrus fruits. So citrus fruits like grapefruit, tangerine, oranges, lemon. So these are like highly citrus in nature, which will give you a high dose of vitamin C. Other than this, papaya is also a very good source of vitamin C. But along with vitamin C, it also gives you vitamin D, A, folate. So see, all the fruits are good, for your health. But currently, I highly suggest that you'll keep your diet up with papayas and the citrus fruits. Now, apart from fruits, there are 2 basic vegetables which are highly, rich in vitamin C. One is broccoli and second is red bell pepper. You know, one red pepper has nearly 10 times more of vitamin C when compared to a lemon. So, you know, try having at least, one piece of red bell pepper on daily basis. Broccoli is also very rich in vitamin C. Now, when if you take 100 grams of broccoli, it will give you 89 grams of vitamin C. Like, it's highly rich in it. So I really consider you to consider these vegetables on daily basis. But the only issue with these two is that you need to have them raw or very slightly cooked. So next is spinach. Of course, we know all the proteins and the nutrients that spinach gives. It gives you calcium, it gives you iron, it gives you potassium, it gives so many nutrients, antioxidant properties. It is antiseptic also. So spinach is also another good thing. You can consider like spinach soups in your diet, or spinach dal, anything. You can just have varieties of spinach. Now, the best part of spinach is it consists of beta carotene. So this also helps fight infection. So every vegetable or every fruit that you take always contains one particular ingredient or one particular a particular substance that is it actually activates one particular enzyme in a body. So spinach is good for beta carotene. Anything that is rich in vitamin C, beta carotene helps you fight infection on a faster basis and helps you build up your immune system. So consider this as well in your diet. So guys, coming towards the end of the video, though this is like a very informative video, even if you do not consider watching it or something like that, at least consider watching the end part of it. That's the summary of the video. So coming to its summary, consider the food items which are rich in vitamin C and beta carotene. So this is very important to fight against this pandemic that we are facing, to help our immune system to be strong and fight itself even if being attacked with the virus. So it consists of pepper, ginger, garlic, tulsi, turmeric, papaya, broccoli, spinach, vitamin C, citrus fruits which are rich in vitamin C, and bell peppers. Do not forget lal shimla mirch. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you all have really felt that the information that I have provided would have been a great help to you all, please do like my channel, subscribe करो, share करो इस वीडियो को, ताकि बहुत लोगों के पास ये information पहुंच पाए. Forget. So guys, if you all feel there is any other vegetable that you all can suggest me, so drop your suggestions in the comment section. I'll be highly happy that we are all exchanging our knowledge and increasing our knowledge. So stay fit, stay healthy, and build a strong, solid immune system. See you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.